What up, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome back. Tonight, I should say today, we are making a Woodland Camo tactical bracelet for my man Carlos out of Texas. All right, Carlos out of Texas. Hope you enjoy. Woodland Camo tactical. I like them. It's like a 275, I believe, 275 paracord, not 550. So much more thinner. I'm sure y'all seen them before. They're good. This kind of cord is real good for like bracelets where you want to like make it intricate or a different type of pattern. Or if you want to weave, as you can see, if you want to weave a thinner cord into like a standard size, you know what I mean? So, you know, just make some little patterns for yourself, different bracelet styles, whatever. But I got them just because they fit fantastic on 9mm. And I don't even know what my, oh well, can't find my pliers. Just trying to get this cord out. It's be a pain in the ass sometimes. But how you guys doing? How you guys doing? How's everybody? I hope y'all New Year has been fantastic. The month of January is almost winding down. It's almost over. It's all she wrote. You know what I'm saying? I ain't been doing nothing really. I've been messing around with the YouTube thing. Working as always, trying to figure out what the next move's gonna be. I'm this close. I want to sell my car, but it's cold, so I think I'm gonna hold on to it. I keep getting good offers. I'm gonna sell my car and just see what else I can get. I like just getting extravagant stuff, so I don't know what the next one will be. Well, I got an idea. I gotta make it make sense. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun 2024. Gonna be a fantastic year. Like I said, I'm experimenting with some new YouTube channels. I'll let you guys know in the future what those will be. You know, I'm just trying to have fun with this little life we got. You know what I'm saying? It's a little life. Like I said, I'm still gonna document every bracelet I can, so don't you worry about that. But Carlos, it'll take so long. And to think, I used to roll these by hand. You know what I'm saying? I used to roll these by hand. But yeah, man. So of course we get the conversations going. I'm sorry that I don't do a whole lot of like, you know, informative talking during these. It usually depends on how long the video is gonna be. You know, I can't really get all my thoughts out. So this little 3, 5, 7 minute type video. Hopefully we can just converse. Y'all can get more of a insight of who I am as a person. You know what I'm saying? So Tekken 8, I'm a big gamer, of course. So Tekken 8 for my gamers out there, you know, fighting game community, what's up? That has came out. Why is that so much? Whatever. It came out, so I'm about to have extreme fun with that. I think I'm gonna retire MK1. Oh yeah, I need to order some more. It's my last of my Woodland Camo. Need to order some more. Set that to the side so I don't forget, which I will forget. But so fighting game community, Tekken 8's out. Retiring from MK1 at the moment, just because, you know, saying playing 2 fighting games can get confusing, to say the least. You know, when you mix up the controls for everything. But you know, there, I might bring the Twitch back, but I think Twitch is going under for some reason. I see they doing big layoffs, stuff like that. I don't think streaming right now will be worth it. If I did anything, y'all let me know. But I tried it. I got too much stuff going on to think about streaming. I just play games for the fun of it now. I don't need to be recording. But yeah, man. Woodland Camo, brass 9mm for Carlos. Look, y'all see it? Looks fantastic. It's crazy because this looks like when I started, I used to make yarn bracelets like this. You know, just have like a different color variation with yarn. And this really reminds me of it a whole lot. But we completed, final touches. Hope you enjoy. Carlos, anybody else who wants to support the Second Amendment, military, law enforcement, outdoors, men survivalists, whatever have you, you know, BearArmsBracelets.com. Sean, then we signing out. Y'all have a good one.